Once upon a time, in a colorful little town called Harmonyville, there lived two best friends named Sammy Squirrel and Bella Bunny. Sammy and Bella loved to play together every day, swinging on tire swings and nibbling on sweet berries. But one sunny afternoon, something went wrong. They both wanted the last juicy berry, and a tug-of-war ensued. The berries squished between them, and soon, harsh words were said, leaving Sammy and Bella sad and apart. Later that evening, Sammy felt quite sorry about the argument and wondered how to make things right. His grandmother, a wise old squirrel, noticed his glum face and asked what was wrong. After hearing the story, she said, "Sammy, sometimes we all make mistakes, but the important thing is to take responsibility and apologize." The next morning, Sammy found Bella at their favorite spot by the big oak tree. He took a deep breath, remembering what Grandma had told him. "Bella," Sammy began, "I'm really sorry for the fight yesterday. I shouldn't have argued over the berry." Bella's ears perked up, and she listened closely. "Thank you, Sammy," she replied. "I'm sorry too. I didn't mean to get so upset. I guess I should have been more understanding." Sammy felt relieved and asked, "Can we think of a plan to make things better?" The two friends sat and talked under the oak tree. They decided whenever they found another irresistible berry, they would share it or take turns picking the berries. This way, they could enjoy more fun together instead of bickering. As they chatted, they realized the importance of listening to and understanding each other's feelings. Their bond grew stronger than ever. From that day on, Sammy and Bella knew that taking responsibility for their actions, making sincere apologies, and being open to each other's feelings created a happier friendship. They even helped other friends in Harmonyville learn about solving conflicts, becoming kindness ambassadors of their town. And so, Sammy Squirrel and Bella Bunny taught us that friendships, like the sweet berries of the forest, need care, understanding, and the occasional bit of berry-sharing magic to blossom beautifully ever after.